Ndewonu. Una anọcha na mma. I hope you are all fine. Our lesson for today is on basic Igbo vocabulary words. Ngwanu ka ibido. Let's start. The first word we have here is hello. Hello. If you want to say hello in Igbo, you say ndewo. Ndewonu. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. No. No. Welcome. No. No. Welcome. Thank you is dalu. Thank you. Dalu or imela. You can say dalu and you can say imela. Thank you. Please. Please is biko. Biko. Please. Biko. Biko. Biko nwanne, please my sister. Biko, please. Sorry. Ndo. Ndo. Sorry. Ndo. Ndo. Ndo nwam. Sorry my child. Nwa is child. Ndo. Ndo is sorry. Yes. As in double E or EH or double O. So you can say or O for yes. For example, if someone asks you, Ibu nwanne ya, Ibu nwanne ya, are you her sister or are you her sibling? And you want to answer yes, you say abụ m nwanne ya. Abụ m nwanne ya. So is yes. No. Mba. 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 No. Mba. No is mba. Excuse me. Cheretu. Cheretu. Excuse me. Cheretu. Where? Ebee. 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 Ebee ka ị na-aga? Where are you going? Where is used for asking questions. Ebee, where? Ebee, where? Help. Help. Nyere m aka. Nyere m aka. Help. Help. Nyere m aka. Nyere m aka. So the last word is goodbye. Goodbye. Ka o mesịa. Ka o mesịa. Ka o mesịa. Ka o mesịa. Goodbye. So if I want to say goodbye to you, I'll just say ka o mesịa ndị nke m. Goodbye, my people. I hope you learned one or two things. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Daalụ.